Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm taking you on a virtual journey to a hidden gem nestled in the majestic Himalayas, Nainital. Get ready to immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty and fascinating history of this enchanting hill station. Let's go. Nainital, also known as the Lake District of India, is a captivating hill station located in the state of Uttarakhand. It is renowned for its pristine lakes, lush greenery, and awe-inspiring views. But what truly makes Nainital special are its 7 mesmerizing lakes, including the iconic Naini Lake. Behold the Naini Lake, the heart and soul of Nainital. This crescent-shaped freshwater lake is surrounded by verdant hills, adding to its natural charm. Visitors can indulge in various activities like boating, yachting, and witness the vibrant Nainital Boat Club. The tranquil atmosphere and stunning sunsets make it a photographer's paradise. Apart from its natural beauty, Nainital has a rich cultural heritage that dates back to the British colonial era. Take a stroll along the Mall Road, the lifeline of the town, lined with a plethora of shops selling handicrafts, woolens, and local delicacies. And don't forget to try the lip-smacking momus, a local specialty that will leave you craving for more. For all the animal lovers out there, Nainital Zoo is a must-visit. Located at an altitude of 2,100 meters, it's one of the highest zoos in the world. Here, you can spot a wide array of Himalayan fauna, including the endangered snow leopard, Himalayan black bear, and many more fascinating species. Now, let's not forget about the stunning viewpoints that offer panoramic views of the Himalayan ranges. Tiffin Top, also known as Dorothy's Seat, provides an incredible vantage point to admire the snow-capped peaks. Another popular spot is the Naina Peak, the highest peak in Nainital, where you can soak in the breathtaking vistas of the surrounding hills and the valley below. As night falls, Nainital transforms into a vibrant hub. The Tibetan Market, located near Mall Road, is a must-visit for shopaholics. From unique handicrafts and clothes to local spices, you'll find everything your heart desires. And if you're lucky, you might witness a cultural performance by local artists showcasing the traditional art forms. For a moment of tranquility, make your way to the Tibetan Buddhist monastery in the picturesque village of Bhotia Parao. Step inside and experience inner peace as the soothing chants and serene atmosphere transport you to a different world. Remember to be respectful and cherish this cultural gem. And that's a wrap on our virtual tour of Nainital, a slice of paradise in the lap of the Himalayas. From serene lakes and breathtaking viewpoints to its rich cultural heritage, Nainital has something to offer every traveler. So, the next time you're planning a trip, make sure to include Nainital in your itinerary. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. And as always, leave your comments down below about your favorite travel destinations. See you soon. Bye.